Hi, this is Keith Simmons, Superintendent of Griffin Spalding. As you know, our students are wrapping up this year's midwinter break. We use this time to renew our energy and recenter our focus as we prepare for a successful closure to the school year. Today, I'd like to share an update regarding the district's current mask policy. I'll also provide some context pertaining to the update. Beginning Monday, we will shift from our current mask policy back to an optional but strongly encouraged stance regarding face masks. Please be reminded, there is still a federal requirement for masks on public transit. At this time, school buses are included in that category. Therefore, it's expected that students who ride a bus must wear a face covering while on the bus. For those who prefer the option of wearing a mask, we will provide face coverings at every school. Again, these are optional, but we wanted to make sure that they were available for students who wanted them. Throughout the year, we followed the advice of our local health officials and closely tracked data to inform our mask policies. We've used three primary practices to mitigate the spread of COVID-19 and keeping our schools open for in-person instruction. Those practices have been hand hygiene, distancing, and face coverings. Currently, our county's 14-day transmission rate is 212 positive cases per 100,000 people, and the 7-day rate is 70 positive cases per 100,000 people. In the district, however, we have seen a significant decline in COVID activity. This graph shows that COVID activity, the green line on the graph, has remained minimal in our school system even during times of high activity here in Griffin Spalding County. This seems to indicate that our mitigation practices have been successful. And for that, I'd like to thank our students and our staff for their understanding and their commitment to keep our schools open and to keep each other safe. Since returning to a mandatory mask policy in January, GSCS has benefited from a persistent decline in activity within our schools. As such, it is important to understand that the decision to make masks optional does leave the district at a greater risk of closure, whether it be at the classroom level, the school level, or the district level, should we experience a spike in COVID activity. As you know, if a class approaches 20% positivity, then we consider classroom closure. The same 20% threshold is considered for a grade level, school level, or district with regards to our enrollment. We still follow the same processes for contact tracing that we've used all year long. Students who have been confirmed positive will continue to isolate at home for a minimum of 5 days. Students confirmed as close contacts will also quarantine for 5 days from the close contact with the COVID positive person. Students in the same household will quarantine for 5 days from the onset of symptoms. Again, beginning Monday, February 28th, Griffin Spalding County will pivot from mask being required to mask being optional but strongly encouraged. Additionally, the district will provide coverings to those employees and students who desire them. Students who ride buses to and from school must wear face masks while on the bus. And if you need additional information or clarity regarding this change in the mask policy, please use our Let's Talk platform to contact me directly. You may access the platform by clicking the link below. I want to thank you for your time. I want to thank you for your commitment. I want to thank you for your partnership. Be well.